can't wait to fire the bomb rocket to destroy my... Holy snap, Dad, what the f***? Holy crap, the bomb. It was so close. I nearly... Good heaven gracious. I've absolutely no idea what just... Holy freak. I've already served.
Oh my, I didn't expect I forgot to see this entire time.
Hey, did I hear you make a cup of tea, Grandpa?
Of course, dear. Want to join? It is so delicious for you to have a tea with us.
Oh boy, tea is my most favorite thing, and it's very delicious. Sure, I'd love to have a tea, Grandma and Grandpa. Why don't you so excited, William? I know, Grandpa, but in fact, I just really love tea. Holy shit, what you just... Mom, I hope it's... Destroy that.